Now then, a little bit of a confession really. When I'm planning trips, sometimes they're very, very well planned. Sometimes they're not planned at all. Sometimes there's a bit of planning and a bit of luck. And I think travelling around Ireland's a little bit of that at the moment. I have planned the route. I know some of the places I want to go to, and then other things turn up en route. So in the hotel last night, just looking around the local area, it came up there was a castle nearby that was worth a visit. Thought I'd give it a try in the morning, and here we are. Now the great thing about this little trip is it's free. Chance to come in and look at what remains of a castle first started in the 1200s, the 13th century. Was too good a chance to miss. And frankly, compared to some castles that I've been to closer to home, there's a lot more to see here than there is in those castles. And you also get a lovely little view, inadvertently through the wall, out into the neighbouring countryside. Well, there's a couple of things you really notice in a castle like this is the thickness of the walls. Look at it. The Normans really didn't want you getting in if you weren't invited. Also with this one, I pretty much had the castle to myself, which is a great pleasure. Chance just to spend a bit of time looking around. And then when you come outside, you have a glorious view on the other side. The town here has done a really good job in creating a lovely little park to have a walk around just outside the castle. But the thing is, I haven't got time. I've got a lot of travelling to do today to head a bit further west and eventually south. So I'm going to have to leave this castle behind, not spend as long as I probably would have liked to, and hit the road. Thanks for supporting this channel by watching this film, but you can do just a little bit more. Smash a subscribe, hit a like, who knows where we're going together in the future. We're having a brief stop off here in Galway and down by the docks. Always feels like a decent place to start. I'm not really looking to do any touristy stuff here, just have a quick look around. The one thing that has changed is the weather. Yesterday it was definitely shorts and t-shirt, which I'm still wearing. It's more a jumper and long trousers. Really changed. But anyway, it is what it is. Just have a quick look around Galway and then get back on the road again. Well, if you've watched some of my films, you'll know I'm a sucker for history. I like castles, whatever state they're in. And I also like cathedrals. Big cathedrals to go and look at. So according to the map, it's 16 minutes to the cathedral here in Galway. And I think it'd be rude not to pop up and see it. was going to be a flying visit to Galway, and I wouldn't be able to do it justice, but the weather is closing in, so I'm going to knock it on the head after just over an hour and a half and move on. We've done castles, we've done a cathedral, and we've got one more see hopefully to do a bit later on in this film. So it's fair to say, so far around Ireland and Northern Ireland, I've not had to pay out for any big touristy type thing. Ferry aside maybe. But this time, I'm gonna, it's 12 euros to park and then to walk up to the cliffs and take a view. And it's gonna have to be a view to match something pretty spectacular that's in front of me. A view down from the heights down to the water in the valley.